Alright, YouTube, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy DIY Trucker J. Got something new for you today. So today, I gotta burn these mounts out of these torque arm bushings. So show you what it is. I already did the other one. I'm gonna show y'all real quick and we get at y'all. Alright. Alright, so this is what we doing. So basically what we doing now, we're gonna change these bushings real quick. All right, so let me finish up. So okay, I got a torch here. So what we're gonna do with this torch is we're gonna use this torch to heat them up. Now, some people use a press, but I'm not gonna press them out because I don't have a press right now, but I'm gonna show you how to do it without using the press, all right? So I'm gonna definitely show you how to get them out without using the press. The same way the ones I'm gonna show you that I took out, I dropped a 16-second video. You'll catch it later on. But this one right here, I'm gonna show you how to do it, all right? So here you go, flip back around. All right, so what you see here is right here, those right there. So the ones you see over there, the ones that I heated up, and I pretty much took them out. Think of the bar right there. So we letting that cool down because it's hot. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this. So what you're gonna have to do is, how to do this is the easy way. First I kept hitting it with a hammer. I was banging it here and banging it here. Now, still hot? Yeah, those are still hot, but I'm gonna show you what happens when you use a hammer to take this out. This is what you're gonna get. You use a hammer, you're gonna beat it up like that. So you don't even have to do all that, but see how hot it is? That's from the heat. I'm gonna show you how they got that there. All right, so just get a regular torch, yellow can, blue can, whatever. I'm gonna show you how to get it off. So all we're gonna do is heat it up here and heat it here. So I'm gonna have to flip it upside down when I do it. So let me go ahead and get this together. We're gonna throw it a time lapse and we get right back at y'all. So let's get it together. I want y'all to see this. As you cut, the heat here. It's going to ooze out of this side. You'll see it start coming out of here. From the side, it's going to ooze out like a type of glue. It's coming out this side. It's going to come out this side. That's when you want to flip it and do it on the side. And if you watch, it's going to come out of here. It might come out of here. Right here. Like I said, hitting it with a hammer, that's a no-no. It's going to end up damaging the lip, and you can't get the new one out. Once you start losing out, you go back away from it. And once you back away from it, she'll get hot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip it and do the other side. And once I flip it and do the other side, I'm going to turn this upside down so I can get the back of that. And you're going to let it burn for a little bit. And once you burn it, I'm going to flip it right now and do the other side. And that pretty much gets the gist of what's going on right now. So this is how you do it. And once I get it all together, then I'm going to knock it out. But you're going to let it burn like that when I flip it. Gonna do the other side. Then we're gonna knock it out. Gonna flip it one more time, knock it out. There you go. Now these are hot enough for the inside. If you're gonna burn out, try to Not breathe it too much. Try to wear some eye protection. And just let it burn. Once she burn up like that, we're gonna flip it one more time and heat the top up. As y'all can see right there, I don't know if you can see the green on there, the spots that are coming out. So this is how you take the bushings out of your torque bushing arms or torque arm bushings. This is how you take them out. Now you can press them out. Pressing them out might be the simplest way, but it's still gonna be hard because this, I don't know how long, or did they ever change these bushings on here. See, my hands got all dirty, but it is what it is. A little bit, but pretty much gonna press it out. And I'm gonna just flip it. This time I'm gonna put a glove on so I can flip it. Then just beat them out, that's all. Then we go do the other one, all right? So once I flip it and heat it, you just beat them out. If you listen, you can hear it frying. It's cooking over there. You heard it cooking. Alright, so you hear it cooking. So all we gonna do now, I'm gonna stand it up. Once the flames put on, and I'm gonna stand it up. But if you look closely, you can see where whatever adhesive glue that they had filled in there, that came out. You can see it right there. It looked like right here. That rubber cooking. And once she cool down, or I might just do it like that with the wax we can handle right now. See where it gets. Well, we should be able to get it out now. What I'm gonna do is back this up, put it on the ground, and then we're gonna get the wax in it. So I'm gonna put it on the ground. But nobody else. You just gotta do the other one. That's how you get them out without using the press. Probably a little dangerous with the torch and the flames, but hey, you ain't gotta be out here all day doing this. All right. So.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
bring it over to where you get a piece of metal, whatever. Make sure you don't start no fires though. You gotta be careful with that. Then knock them out. That's it. And the install video is coming. But I gotta put them in because the truck is down. So I get right back at you. Peace.